Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. It's just undergone a complete frame-up restoration. I love this color combination. It's ascot blue. It's got the white Super Sport stripes, white vinyl interior, and it's got all new legendary Ivory interior. Beautiful car, big block 454, 4-speed, tach gauges, 12-bolt rear end. Pretty car. The gentleman we bought it from said it's about a year and a half ago. He said the only thing he didn't do was pull it off the frame, but a year and a half ago he completed a complete frame-up restoration. Beautiful car, guys. I love the color combo. I wish we had a little more sunshine so you kind of see how this thing pops. It's got the SS rallies all the way around it. He's got the Firestone Wide Oval bias plies on it. It's got the white SS stripes. They're all clear coated over. One little stone peck there. You can tell it's got new bumpers. Now the sun might pop up. Cowl hood. I love the color combo, guys. And this thing just pops. All new vinyl top. Said it's got all new legendary interior, and it's that ivory color, which I love. It's really nice when you're driving these things in the summertime. You don't realize how cool that stays. Pretty car. Car runs and drives excellent. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. I love this car, guys. I just like this color combo. 70 Chevelles are, of course, awesome. I mean, they're highly sought after. Hard for us to keep these cars in stock. I love this color combo. Front disc brakes. Again, big block 454. I mean, look how detailed this thing is. 4-barrel Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake. It's got power steering, which, you know, a lot of 4-speeds didn't have. This car's got a power steering, power front disc brakes, all detailed up, very nice underneath the hood. You can tell this car is fresh. Aluminum radiator. Look how nice it's detailed underneath the hood. Car is very nicely done. Jay's making sure he reminds me. He said this thing runs. He said it scoots. It's got a good sound to it when we fire it up. New door handles. You can see they replaced the door rubbers. I love the interior. That ivory, I think, is so cool. New carpet. We ordered these as well. These are on the way. A couple things we just ordered for the car. Ordered a trunk mat for it, and then of course those little rubbers. You just never put them in there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the SS steering wheel, Hurst shifter. Again, factory tach and gauge car. It's showing 14901 on the odometer. I'm sure that's over. Factory AM radio. It's got an aftermarket Sun Pro tach underneath the dash. It's dual exhaust, 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Car's got a great look to it. Everywhere you look, it's clean. It's even got the wide oval spare with the jack. We've got a trunk mat coming for it, guys. It's all spackle painted in here like it should be. Car's gorgeous underneath. You see the new fuel tank, the new exhaust. Dash is nice. Gauges look good. Pretty car, guys. Low cam to it, nothing crazy. Yeah, it's a pretty car. Tach works, parking brakes on, that's what that light's for, guys. Amp gauge is working. What over there?
Temp gauge is transferred down to here.
Okay, fuel gauge is working though, yep. Temp gauge is down there. Good sounding big block. No on the radio. No. Blower motor?
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, I wish that sun was out so this thing would pop. Guys.